Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to talk about the problem which is going on in the Realme X1 Max, which is 120 FPS support is not working in the Realme X1 Max particularly, and a lot of users, I did advise them to give the feedback to the Realme team that we are facing the problem in the Realme X1 Max, and few of the users did report the problem to the Realme team as well, and we got the response. So one of the users, they did get the response and he did exactly copy pasted the response what he got. As you can see, let's read the what is the feedback which we got. So please ignore the previous messages. And Realme X1 Max works on the maximum screen refresh rate 120 Hz, but it will reduce to lower refresh rate depending upon the application and game. That's completely fine. We can definitely understand that. And which is being accessed in a mobile phone. It is suggested that to enable the 120 Hz refresh rate in the display settings, and they choose high refresh rate in respect to app settings. So this is what the response we got. So what it means, I think. So when you're trying to use the PUBG or the Battlegrounds mobile, try to select the 90 FPS and try to go to the settings and try to select the higher refresh rate. Then you will be able to get that kind of refresh rate. But that's not happening, friends. Absolutely. We people will definitely check this kind of options before asking and sending the feedback. We'll definitely choose the 120 Hz. We don't choose auto and we don't make complaints. We'll definitely choose 120 Hz and we'll ultimately choose even 90 FPS as well in the Battlegrounds mobile. So that is what the response we got in the respective app settings. That is what it means. As you can see, apart from this, I cannot find any other settings in the respective app where I can find in the Realme UI. For example, if you try to go to the display, there is no column which says select the application which you want, 120 Hz or 60 Hz. This is an option which is called screen display. You can actually select front camera showing or hide the front camera something. As you can see, full screen display by app, but there is no option which says allow 120 and disable 120, nothing at all. But you need to use individual applications. For example, when you're trying to play the Battlegrounds mobile, try to select the 90 FPS. So that is what the message means. So individual applications, you need to use the higher FPS. But YouTube and Instagram, they don't have individual settings to increase and decrease the refresh rate. And games like this, we do have the option to increase, but still it's not working. I'm not sure when this they're gonna fix this kind of issue, but still, even though we choose the applications and the games with higher refresh rate, still we won't get that kind of 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max until we use some kind of trick. So let's see, friends, when they'll fix the issue. And finally, we are getting some kind of response as well. So try to post in the community, friends, as soon as possible from the Realme X1 Max users. So that is what I can actually advise for you all the people to do that. So overall, the feedback reply was not that satisfaction, I would say. There's nothing much interesting and there's nothing much new, which new settings or nothing at all. So everything whatever they said was we did already before. So using 120 Hz in the display settings and using 90 Hz in the Battlegrounds, that is what they did speak in this kind of comment. Exactly, you can see using high refresh rate in the respective app settings. That is what the comment mean, respective app settings. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching at it. I hope this comment will be definitely clarifying few of the users. So that is the reason is a particular subscriber who did ask me to explain what does this message mean, and he's trying to find the not only he and few of the users, they are trying to find the settings option to check where is the option to increase and decrease the individual app 120 FPS. That is what they are trying, but the Realme means try to use in the application with a high refresh rate. That's it, not in the settings anywhere. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Hopefully this problem might get fixed very soon in the Realme X1 Max. Let's see, and until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.